Welcome. If you're here, you probably love Pinterest for its endless inspiration. But maybe you're getting a little overwhelmed with notifications. Specifically, you might be getting too many alerts about pins inspired by your recent activity. Those suggestions that pop up based on what you've liked or saved. Don't worry, you're not alone. And today, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn off those push notifications so you can keep your Pinterest experience inspiring, not irritating. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. You'll land on your home feed, filled with beautiful images and ideas. But we're not here to browse just yet. Instead, look for your profile picture at the top of the screen. Tap on that. This will take you to your personal profile, where all your boards and pins are neatly organized. Now, you'll see several options here. What we want is the notification setting. Tap on Notification to open up all the different ways Pinterest can alert you. You'll notice a list of categories, and one of them is called Pin Picks. Under Pin Picks, you'll find an option labeled Pins Inspired by Your Recent Activity. This is the setting that controls those frequent, sometimes unwanted suggestions. Tap on Pins Inspired by Your Recent Activity. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can decide how you want to receive these notifications. Right now, you'll probably see the push option is toggled on. That means Pinterest is sending these alerts directly to your device. To put a stop to this, simply tap the toggle next to push to turn it off. That's it. You won't receive any more push notifications for pins inspired by your activity. Now, you can enjoy Pinterest without constant interruptions. You'll still see these recommendations when you open the app, but your phone won't buzz or beep every time Pinterest thinks you'll like something new. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch again. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with a friend who might also want a quieter Pinterest experience. And, as always, happy pinning!